Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to explain you about some more text functions in Excel. Already I have explained some basic Excel text functions in my part 1 video. If you have not yet watched it, please get the link from the description box and watch it. So let's get started with the topic of text functions part 2 in Excel. So in this video I am going to explain you about concatenate, find, search, substitute, replace and trim. So let's get started with the function called concatenate. This function is used for joining or combining two or more words in different cells into a single cell. So let's see how can we do that. Type is equal to concatenate. Select the cell references. Close parenthesis, hit enter key. Now you got it. So what the concatenation function does is it joined all together and displayed it in the result cell. Now if I want the words to be separated with comma or space, how can we do that? So it can be done with a small change. So just edit the formula with like this: space, comma, space, comma, then enter. Now I can see that the words are separated with the space. Not even with the space, along with the space, if I want some comma to be used in this cell, so I can put the comma in between, then hit enter key. Now drag down to remaining cells for getting the result to be displayed for other rows. Next is find. How can we use it? So find is an option which is used for searching for a text within a word. So find, comma, find text. What text I have to find, that I have to specify here, and find is a case sensitive. Whatever format of text we are specifying here, that format of character only it can find. So let's say I'm typing here small a, and within what cell? Within B5. Now find is going to search for letter R within B5 in small case, and it found it in 4th place. It gives you the position number of that character as a result. Whereas search is quite different. Search is not a case sensitive, so it can search the character in whatever format it might be. Search, find R or small letter, whatever letter. Now display the result as 1 because even though I have specified the character in small case, it searched and found the character in the first place only because it is not a case sensitive. It found the capital R in the first cell and displayed the result as 1. So this is what the difference between find and search. Find is a case sensitive, search is not a case sensitive. That's the difference. Next, substitute. So let's execute and see the result what it can do. Let's select the cell Rodriguez, B5, comma, old text. Suppose if I want to replace the text with some other text. So 3 characters in this name I want to replace with 4 characters. This is the existing one and this is the new one and the cell reference. Hit enter. That's it. Similarly, replace is also used for the same purpose, but the syntax is different. Old text, comma. Here we have to give the position numbers to replace the characters, and suppose if I want the ROD to be replaced with some other text, so what I type here is R is in first place. Let's say OD, only 2 letters, O and D should be replaced with different letters. So O is in second place. From second character, the 2 characters I want to replace, 2 again, comma, replace with what text? 2 characters. Suppose if I want to replace the three letters from O, 1 2 3, so I will have to specify here 3 and 3 characters. This is what the replace function does. Now what is trim? Trim is used for removing the additional spaces in the word or a sentence. Hidden spaces also it can remove so that it becomes a meaningful phrase or a word or a combination. Let's see. So in this cell we had a lot of spaces. It removed the additional spaces and displayed it with the proper combination. So in this video, these are the functions which I have covered. Hope you understood the concept of text functions in part 2 video. Viewers, please watch my all videos. If you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and like, share, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.